Hey yo, fight fans, today we're looking at UFC Leon Edwards versus Belal Muhammad. What happened with the illegal strike here with the eye poke and how it was different from the Petr Yan versus Aljamain Sterling fight. So here's how the unfortunate incident really happened. Leon Edwards, he moves in with a left cross right here and accidentally pokes his opponent's eyes and down Belal went. And if you had watched the fight live, you would have known that the injury was really bad and that the fight wasn't really going to go ahead. Well, as a fight fan, I just hope Belal is okay, he's safe and suffers no permanent eye damage. And of course, at this point, Herb Dean unsurprisingly steps in and calls the fight a no decision. We're going to say why this was a no decision and not a disqualification later. With this maneuver, Leon Edwards was wanting to throw a left body kick, but unfortunately, he poked his opponent's eyes and it did not go as planned. Up until this point in the fight, he did seem to be winning the fight, and he wobbled his opponent with this look down high kick, and he attacked his opponent further in round number 1 and seemed to be ahead. But that said, nobody can say where the match was going because both these guys are cardio kings and they were only in round number 2. Well, as for one thing that really upsets me, it's the design of these gloves that the UFC still sticks with. We do not want eye pokes further in the game, and a couple of fights that were on the cusp of being cancelled, including the World Heavyweight Championship for the title. We're so fortunate that this wasn't cancelled eventually, but what a loss it could have been. And as for the difference between this fight and today's fight, I guess it was purely on the basis of intention. Today's fight was a no decision and not a disqualification because this was purely unintentional. And if you're Edwards, what do you say? You waited so long on the outside for this fight and this unfortunate incident happens, or if you're Belal Muhammad, waiting for this opportunity, taking the fight on 3 weeks notice and wanting to shine through this main event, I guess both fighters must be devastated. Well, and as fans, we're upset too, but I hope these guys recover and run it back because these guys have some